Chapter 10: Future Scope of Artificial Intelligence. What are the possibilities of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence has endless possibilities. From astronomy to healthcare, it is transforming every sector. Do AI-powered machines have the same intelligence as humans? As of now, no. But it can happen in the future when AI achieves singularity. Can AI dominate humans? That's a tricky question. Let us explore the chapter to find the answer. Tech goals. Understand the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. Understand the need for artificial intelligence. Understand the possibilities of artificial intelligence. Understand the scope of artificial intelligence. Understand how artificial intelligence is shaping our future. Understand the future of artificial intelligence. The idea of creating a machine that can match or imitate the level of human intelligence has existed since ancient times. The concept may seem new to you because it is now that the distinct dream has started gaining form and even partially has come to life. It is believed that ancient Greeks had myths about robotic creatures. It is also said that Egyptians and Chinese engineers had also built some automations. The history of artificial intelligence can be traced back to the time of classical philosophers who attempted to describe human intelligence and thinking as a symbolic system. However, the term artificial intelligence formally came to be established in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire. Philosophers and scientists have ever since thought that surveyed the idea of how human thinking can be imitated to be manipulated by a machine. The thought of turning this theory into reality was fueled when mathematicians, classical philosophers, and logicians considered the manipulation of symbols. Gradually, this manipulation gained form when the programmable digital computer, the Atonsoft Berry computer ABC, was invented in the 1940s. Nearly a decade later, the actual processing of the idea of creating an intelligent machine as we see it today started gaining shape. Alan Turing, a mathematician, proposed a test that measured a machine's ability to replicate human actions to a degree that was distinguishable from human behavior. Later, in the mid-1950s, the field of artificial intelligence and the term were coined by John McCarthy during a summer conference at Dartmouth College. John McCarthy is known as the father of artificial intelligence, and he was the one who first gave a name to this technology. After this insightful processing during the conference, several logicians, scientists, and programmers added in solidifying the modern understanding of artificial intelligence as a whole. With each new decade came innovations and findings that changed people's fundamental knowledge of the field and how historical advancements have catapulted AI from being an unattainable fantasy to a tangible reality for current and future generations. Tech scoop. In the 1970s, the capabilities of AI were limited because of limited computing power, but with the decreasing size of transistors and increase in the computational power of devices, it has become possible to create machine and deep learning algorithms capable of voice recognition, self-driving cars, and much more. Why do we need artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables intelligent machines or computers to observe and learn from experiences and data, adapt to new data or inputs, and give quick and accurate results, matching human intelligence. Artificial intelligence gives the capability to machines or computers to perform tasks and solve complex situations without the assistance of humans. You must have heard of several examples that use artificial intelligence, like the chess game, self-driven cars, virtual assistants, etc. All these examples in some way or another depend on NLP, natural language processing, and deep learning. With the use of artificial intelligence and these technologies, intelligent machines and computers can perform specific tasks by processing and recognizing the patterns in a huge amount of data. The amount of data generated today is extensively high, and it is almost impossible for humans, or even in some cases machines, to absorb, organize, interpret, and take complex decisions based on this data. Therefore, the need for artificial intelligence has risen now more and ever. Artificial intelligence is the solution to all these problems. With the help of this technology, intelligent machines and computers are being designed that can read the human intelligence level and perform complex tasks without human assistance. It is the future of making faster and more accurate complex decisions. One of the greatest fears that artificial intelligence brings with it, whether will it replace humans? Well, not really. AI is a technology that is created by humans to match the level of human intelligence. Though several experts are scared of the idea of what will happen if AI machines suppress human brains. However, this is just a thought and has no substantial reason to back this statement. To put it in simple words, artificial intelligence is a technology that augments our abilities and makes us better at what we do. Since the learning process of artificial intelligence is different from that of humans, they have different perspectives looking at situations. They can pay attention to the minutest details before making a prediction that might not be possible for a human. Because AI algorithms learn differently than humans, they look at things differently. This partnership between humans and artificial intelligence opens the doors to several opportunities. Artificial intelligence is rapidly gaining popularity because it has the ability to tackle complex technical challenges. Also, human capabilities like understanding, reasoning, planning, communicating, and decision-making can be easily and efficiently done by using artificial intelligence. These capabilities in a machine or a computer is creating several new opportunities for business processes and consumer application, the health industry, the automotive industry, aerospace, and a lot more. There are numerous reasons why the adoption of AI technology is the need of the hour. Some of them are competitive edge. Organizations that want to give serious competition to their adversaries are speedily adopting AI technology rapidly. For example, the autopilot feature offered by Tesla in its vehicles. Tesla is utilizing deep learning algorithms to successfully launch autonomous vehicles that can easily drive without the assistance or interference of humans. The use of artificial intelligence in its products of Tesla is giving them an edge over the others in the industry. Accessibility. The high-speed 24/7 availability and accurate predictions provided by artificial intelligence have enabled bolder computations to deal with progressively complex issues. The technology not only provides faster and more accurate results by specific assortments of processors, for example, GPUs, but also looks like a cloud organization. The process that once ran only in labs in super PCs will now be available on the cloud at a much cheaper rate. Fear of missing out. Artificial intelligence is rapidly gaining pace in all industries as well as day-to-day life. The bigger organizations are financially making the most of this technology not only because it enhances productivity and saves time, but also because they have the fear of missing out on this advancing technology. To stay competitive and not be left out of the opportunities and market, they are rapidly adopting this technology in their working systems. For example, in the financial industry, where practically all the banks have vigorously adopted it in their daily functions. Cost effectiveness. With time, just like other technologies, artificial intelligence is becoming more and more affordable. The cost effectiveness of artificial intelligence is making it feasible for a lot of organizations to use the technology that they earlier could not afford it. Now, organizations do not have the barrier of affordability to implement artificial intelligence in their systems. Future-proof. There is no denying that artificial intelligence is the future. Organizations are making smart moves by adopting this technology and making an investment for the future. Inculcating artificial intelligence technology in organizations is versatile to change and adopt the future for the betterment. Adopting artificial intelligence is the best way to be technologically future-proof for any organization. Purpose of artificial intelligence. The main reason for the development of artificial intelligence was to automate the repetitive process, simplify complex tasks, and get accurate results in a faster time. Virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri are helping in making daily tasks easier for users. Using artificial intelligence also saves manpower and increases productivity. The main purpose of using artificial intelligence are: AI achieves incredible accuracy. With the help of deep neural networks, artificial intelligence now has the potential of reaching incredible accuracy which was not possible earlier. For example, your interactions with Alexa, Google Search, and Google Photos are all based on deep learning, and the more you use them, the more accurate they get. If we talk about the medical industry, artificial intelligence technology now can diagnose cancer on MRIs better than any radiologists with the help of deep learning, image classification, and object recognition. AI analyzes more and deeper data. Building a fraud detection system with 5 hidden layers was almost impossible a few years ago. But this is now possible with the potential of artificial intelligence and big data. The more data is fed to the technology, the more efficient it becomes with its results because they learn directly from the data. AI adapts through progressive learning algorithms. Artificial intelligence finds structure and regularities in data so that the algorithm acquires skill and gives accurate results. Just like AI can teach itself how to play chess, similarly, it can teach itself what product should be recommended as per the user's preferences. The performance and accuracy of this technology keep upgrading as more and more data is provided. Backpropagation is an AI technique that allows the technology to adapt the newly added data, learn from it, and improve the answers when the first answer is not quite right. AI gets the most out of data. When algorithms are self-learning, the info itself can become property. The answers are within the data. You only need to apply AI to urge them out. Since the role of the info is now more important than ever before, it can create a competitive advantage. If you have got the simplest data in a competitive industry, albeit most are applying similar techniques, the simplest data will win. One way is to use the facility of computers to reinforce human thinking, even as we use motors to reinforce humans or horsepower. The other is to use a computer's AI to know how humans think. In a humanoid way, if you test your programs not merely by what they can accomplish, but by how they accomplish, then you are doing cognitive science. You are using AI to understand the human mind. AI adds intelligence. Artificial intelligence enhances the intelligence of existing products. In most cases, artificial intelligence is not sold as an individual application. Instead, the technology is instilled in the products that you are already using. For example, Siri was added as a feature to a new generation of Apple products. Automation, conversational platforms, bots, and smart machines can be combined with large amounts of data to improve many technologies at home and in the workplace, from security intelligence to investment analysis. AI automates repetitive learning and discovery through data. Artificial intelligence is different from hardware-driven robotic automation. This technology does not simply automate repetitive tasks, but also performs frequent, high-volume, computerized tasks reliably and without getting tired. For this type of automation, humans must make inquiries and ask the right questions. This will not only enhance the database, but also improve the efficiency of the technology to understand the nature of questions and provide effective answers. Rapid move. 1. Dash is known as the father of artificial intelligence. 2. Dash is the future of making faster and more accurate complex decisions. 3. Dash, like Alexa and Siri, are helping in making daily tasks easier for users. 4. Dash was added as a feature to a new generation of Apple products. Possibilities of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the technology that makes machines capable of simulating the cognitive abilities of the human mind, making them exhibit problem-solving, learning, and basic decision-making capabilities, something that is not usually expected from a machine. In other words, AI is the branch of technology that makes machines think like humans, which opens the door to unlimited possibilities. From chatbots to virtual assistants, artificial intelligence has already entered our lives, and undoubtedly it is going to change the virtual and real world in the coming future. Once it was a dream to make intelligent machines and computers that simulates cognitive human mental abilities. However, you can see that this dream is now becoming a reality. The most complicated capacities to achieve are those that require interacting with unrestricted and not previously prepared surroundings. Designing systems with these capabilities requires the integration of development in many areas of AI. We particularly need knowledge representation languages that codify information about many different types of objects, situations, actions, and so on, as well as about their properties and the relations among them, especially cause and effect relations. We also need new algorithms that can use these representations robustly and efficiently to resolve problems and answer questions on almost any subject. Finally, given that they will need to acquire an almost unlimited amount of knowledge, those systems will have to be able to learn continuously throughout their existence. In sum, it is essential to design systems that combine perception, representation, reasoning, action, and learning. This is a very important AI problem, as we still do not know how to integrate all of these components of intelligence. We need cognitive architectures that integrate these components adequately. Integrated systems are a fundamental first step in someday achieving general AI. Currently, AI is greatly impacting almost all industries as well as day-to-day lives. In the coming decades, humans will be dependent on artificial intelligence more than ever to solve complex problems. This emerging technology has also given birth to several innovations and technologies like big data, machine learning, augmented reality, etc. Artificial intelligence is being used in finance, healthcare, businesses, enterprises, automotive industries, and many more fields. Scope of artificial intelligence. The partnership between humans and artificial intelligence opens the door to several opportunities. Some of them are: enhance the use of data and analytics in industries and different domains, improve the existing analytic technologies like computer vision and time series analysis, break down language, translation, and economic barriers, augment existing human intelligence, improve our performance, and ease the tasks, provide us with enhanced predictions, better vision, understanding, memory, and much more. Artificial intelligence is enhanced by providing data into the knowledge base. The accumulated knowledge by AI is through a combination of interactive algorithms and volumes of data used for studying patterns and designs. Artificial intelligence is going to play a key role in future of human growth. There are many areas which can be transformed using AI. For this, we have to explore the domains of AI. Artificial intelligence is broadly classified into 6 domains. These are machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, neural network, cognitive computing. Some of the futuristic concepts which incorporate these technologies are briefly explained here. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the technology that helps computer to understand the natural language spoken by humans. It is a way of teaching machines to understand and interpret the communication process of humans. The ultimate goal of NLP is to read, decipher, understand, and make sense of human languages in a valuable way. Most NLP techniques allow on machine learning to make sense of human languages. To understand the basic working of NLP, let us take an example. The human has a conversation with the intelligent machine. The machine captures the audio and then converts that audio into text. Next, the machine processes the data of the text and then converts that text back into audio in a language that the user understands and finally responds to the user. There are mainly two components of the NLP system. Natural Language Understanding, NLU. NLU understands the basic tasks like mapping the given input of natural language in useful representation and then analyzing the different aspects of the natural human language. Natural Language Generation, NLG. After the understanding process is done, then the machine produces meaningful sentences to respond to the user in the language that the user understands. This process involves text planning, sentence planning, and finally text realization. Machine learning. Machine learning, also known as ML, is a domain of AI that helps in adaptation building, that learns from the data to improve the accuracy of the results produced without any programming done in the background. In machine learning, algorithms are trained to find patterns and functionality in massive amounts of data to make decisions and predictions based on new data. The better the algorithm works, the more accurate the decisions and predictions will be because it processes more data. The best example to understand machine learning is when you listen to songs on any application on your smartphone. It captures and stores the information entered by you. It stores the information on the type of songs you listen to, the type of songs you search for, and your favorite singer or genre, and then it provides the best results in the recommendation and search results based on your search patterns and likes. More to know. Google has announced that it had created a microchip called a tensor processing unit, which it claimed was up to 30 times faster and 80 times more power efficient than an Intel processor for machine learning tasks. Autonomous vehicles. Artificial intelligence is rapidly entering the automotive industry as well. As you read earlier, Google had secretly developed a driverless car, automated car, or a self-driven car, which passed the Nevada autonomous driving test in 2014. To understand the working of artificial intelligence in vehicles, let us first understand how humans drive vehicles. Humans use sensory functions like vision and sound to drive the vehicle. While driving, when you stop at a red light, you are using your memory to make the quick decision to hit the brakes to stop when the traffic light is red. Gradually, with driving daily, you are well aware of the routes to take or the bumps to avoid, etc. This happens because your memory stores these patterns and then takes actions based on your memory. Now, to automate vehicles, scientists are trying to integrate the sensory functions of vision and sound in automated vehicles as well. This means that we need to provide these vehicles with the sensory functions, cognitive functions, memory, logical thinking, decision-making, and learning, and execute skills that humans use to drive vehicles. The automotive industry is constantly evolving to achieve this over the past few years. Future of artificial intelligence. The final goal of artificial intelligence, AI, which says a machine can have a type of general intelligence similar to humans, is one of the most ambitious ever proposed by science. In terms of difficulty, it is comparable to other great scientific goals, such as explaining the origin of life or the universe, or discovering the structure of matter. In recent centuries, this interest in building intelligent machines has led to the invention of models or metaphors of the human brain. In the 17th century, for example, Descartes wonders whether a complex mechanical system of gears, pulleys, and tubes could possibly emulate thought. 2 centuries later, the metaphor had become telephone systems, as it seemed possible that their connections could be linked to a neural network. Today, the dominant model is computational and is based on the digital computer. TechScoop. Researchers at the University of Stanford created a machine learning algorithm that is capable of predicting death with a shocking 90% accuracy. Technology powered by artificial intelligence has helped increase human capabilities and reinvent the human way of life. Code-based systems that integrate information and connectivity that ushered in a new era that was previously unimaginable, offering untapped opportunities and unprecedented threats. There is hardly any major modern artificial intelligence in the industry, specifically narrow AI, which performs objective functions using data-driven models and often falls into the categories of deep learning or machine learning, which have not yet been found. This is especially true in recent years, as data collection and analysis has grown dramatically, thanks to strong LoT connectivity. The proliferation of connected devices and increasingly rapid IT processing has changed the way data is being used today. Some industries are at the start of their AI journey. Others are seasoned travelers. They both have a long way to go. On a much larger scale, AI is poised to have a major effect on sustainability, climate change, and environmental issues in the coming years. With the help of sophisticated sensors, cities will become less congested, less polluted, and generally more livable. You can already see some progress in this direction. Tech experts around the world have predicted that networked artificial intelligence will increase human efficiency and threaten human interdependence and capabilities. We are not far from the era of super-intelligent AI, where algorithms can match or even surpass human intelligence and capabilities in tasks involving complex decision-making, sophisticated analysis, pattern recognition, reasoning, learning, language translation, visual acuity, and speech recognition. More to know, the number of AI startups has increased 14 times since 2000. Can artificial intelligence dominate humans? Will artificial intelligence ever surpass human thought? The rapid advancements in AI, coupled with our usual fear of machines, have raised fears that its abilities will one day start to spiral out of control, ultimately leading to taking over the world and wiping out humanity if it decides who we are a barrier to their goals. This moment is commonly referred to as the AI singularity. Every invention is a result of human intelligence, but is it possible that something created by humans can dominate them? Max Tegmark, president of the Future of Life Institute, said in his statement, "Technology can make human lives easier, but if not controlled, it can be dangerous as well. Different experts and scientists have different opinions on this point. Some believe that artificial intelligence and the technologies revolving around it will one day surpass human intelligence and destroy the identity of humans. However, some scientists also debate that super intelligent artificial intelligence, even though will have human-like intelligence or even better, but will never be able to exhibit emotions like love and hate. One argument against the possibility of such supreme, unstoppable, and endlessly growing intelligence is that it would need, by definition, to be able to accurately predict the future. It is very consoling to believe that the nature of the universe, in a sense, prevents an escalation of AI. But there is another perspective. What if humans perceive the universe as random and chaotic simply because our reasoning and cognitive abilities are too limited? This would change the possibility of an AI singularity. Ultra-advanced intelligence could reveal these hidden variables and thus understand the predictable nature of the universe, unlocking the full potential of the machine. It should be noted that AI approaches are already used to automatically make discoveries in physics. On a practical level, AI singularity doesn't seem so plausible given the current application of artificial intelligence. Recent advances in AI have been made using what is known as narrow AI, which is designed to perform a well-defined task like playing chess or driving a car. Though it is right that narrow AI can outperform humans in some tasks, however, general AI that can emulate humans' ability to respond to many different tasks will be delivered and put humans at risk in the near future is still only fear, with no concrete reasons to back this statement. But we cannot exclude it completely. Since we still have limited knowledge of the nature of the universe and the power of AI, maybe it's best to play it safe. Even without singularity, AI will have a dramatic impact on human society. We need to work as hard as possible to ensure that AI is beneficial to humanity and not a threat to it. The two most debated scenarios that have the possibility of AI dominating humans are: artificial intelligence-powered weapons can be devastating. Autonomous weapons powered by artificial intelligence are designed to kill if accessed by the wrong people. It has the capability of destroying the entire human race. Another devastating possibility of AI-powered weapons is they can trigger AI war, resulting in mass destruction. More to know. Companies like Microsoft and Google warn that bad AI decisions can harm potential businesses. Artificial intelligence can threaten human autonomy. Many experts have revealed the concern that the long-term impact of artificial intelligence can question the essential elements of humans. There are high chances of rising unemployment as AI-powered applications and systems are taking over the jobs once done by humans. Dependency on artificial intelligence also increases the risks of reduction in cognitive, social, and survival skills of humans. These concerns may be disturbing. However, if controlled and handled with caution, artificial intelligence may surpass human intelligence but might not be able to dominate humans. Tech Scoop: a killer robot has been created and is used in Israel and South Korea. The robot can decide and kill any target of interest. Rapid move. 1. Dash are a fundamental first step in someday achieving general AI. 2. Dash is the technology that helps computers to understand the natural language spoken by humans. 3. Dash use sensory functions like vision and sound to drive the vehicle. 4. Dash, even though will have human-like intelligence or even better, will never be able to exhibit emotions like love and hate. Text summary. The idea of creating a machine that can match or imitate the level of human intelligence has existed since ancient times. The term artificial intelligence formally came to be established in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire. Artificial intelligence gives the capability to machines or computers to perform tasks and solve complex situations without the assistance of humans. The high-speed 24/7 availability and accurate predictions provided by artificial intelligence have enabled bolder computations to deal with progressively complex issues. The main reason for the development of artificial intelligence was to automate the repetitive process, simplify complex tasks, and get accurate results in a faster time. Artificial intelligence is being used in finance, healthcare, businesses, enterprises, automotive industries, and many more fields. Artificial intelligence is broadly classified into 6 domains. These are machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, neural networks, and cognitive computing. The ultimate goal of NLP is to read, decipher, understand, and make sense of human languages in a valuable way. Machine learning, also known as ML, is a domain of AI that helps in application building that learns from the data to improve the accuracy of the results produced without any programming done in the background. On a practical level, AI singularity doesn't seem so plausible given the current application of artificial intelligence.